In this walkthrough, I will show you how to send the private renter workflow. Once a rental exists, the renter needs one private place to complete intake, license details, insurance proof when requested, agreement acknowledgments, deposit readiness, inspection photos, and uploads. Open Rental Workspace. Find a rental and look for the private workflow link or renter workflow status. This is the link staff can copy or send to the renter. Send the link through the channel the renter is already using. Email, SMS, WhatsApp, or a copied link all work as long as the renter lands on the private workflow. After sending, staff should watch completion status instead of chasing screenshots. The dashboard shows which readiness gates are complete and which ones are pending. The workflow is private to that rental, so it should not be posted publicly. It is meant for the renter connected to that trip. That is the sending pattern. Open the rental, share the private workflow, then track completion from the dashboard.